Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.